Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I've made several videos about the artistic media tool. And this gentleman sent me a video of what he's trying to do, and what he's trying to do is take a, and I'm just going to do exactly like what he did. He took an ellipse, took a 2-point line, went from the center, holding down the control button, or I don't know if he did, but make a perfect angle because he wants this part of the line, and he's calling it a perfect, and it is. It's pretty perfect. But then he's taking the artistic media tool and trying to copy that line. Well, that's not what you need, or you don't have to do that. If you'll take the artistic media tool and click on your line, nothing happens. But if you will raise or lower this one number, it will do it. And you can make it thinner. And I always, when I'm using an artistic media tool, go up to object and take the artistic media apart. And then there's your original line, and take your original line out of the way and get rid of it. Matter of fact, right click on your no fill or no outline so you have just a fill. Or we could have done these the opposite, left click on your fill, and then you got a perfect. I mean, I'm not going to say it's perfect, but it's the same shape as what he wanted in his artistic media tool. So you don't have to try to trace it. I've done several videos on that. Let's just use the 3-point curve and make kind of a curve, kind of like that. Grab the artistic media tool and just click on that item. For some reason, you'll see a node pop up. For some reason inside Corel, you have to either go up or down. And then you could change it to whatever style of line you want. You know, if you want it thick on the inside or the thick on the middle, but while you still have that, you make it thicker. And of course, you're always going to run into a little bit of problems when you do that. But I would take and always go to object and break the artistic media apart. And some of the lines are not going to work as well as the other lines. But let's do that again. Get the artistic media tool and just pick a different shape this time. Let's pick one with two rounded ends. So you get that exact shape. That's probably the best example. Now that time it worked and I didn't have to do anything. But a lot of times you have to up or lower this number. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.